As a business owner, my schedule is very tight and limited. During fall season, I so miss the Chinese remedy with the white tea and pear. So I create a tea that has a pear, has a white tea, and it even has a strawberry in it. It has a strong pear flavor. This tea has a dried strawberries and pears. Those are pear pieces and a white tea. So it really tastes exactly like the Chinese pear white tea remedy I had in China. Instead of buying fresh pear, strawberry, and cut it into pieces, this tea has all in one. Just pour this tea into a glass teapot. Add boiling water. Let the tea steep. Sweeten as you like. After 3 or 5 minutes, your pear white is ready. And a really beautiful aroma.